Ọba Yusuf, Ọba Dr. Yusuf, Adébórí Adélẹ́yẹ OON, ìlànà búbú. I want to equally recognize the visitor of the Olubaka, His Imperial Majesty, the Deji of Akure land. Kábíyèsí, ẹ káàbọ̀ sà. I want to recognize also the members of the Okari Council. Aki gbogbo ilé ẹkúlé o, ẹ̀jẹ̀ bọ̀dú o. Distinguished sons and daughters of Oka, Akoko, both at home and in diaspora. Members of the Ondo State House of Members of the Ondo State Executive Council, both present and past. I want to greet you, I want to recognize you. Respected traditional rulers and community leaders, I greet you all. Honorable members of the National Assembly and the State Assembly, Honorable ROD, I greet you. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I want to particularly greet the Kábíyèsí, the Olúbàkà of Ọ̀kà Kingdom, ìlànà búbú Kábíyèsí, àkèrèsàmọ́dún Kábíyèsí, bọ́jẹ́ sọ ní ìlú tèmi, wá ní èsọ́dún àmúòdì, ọdọọdún lẹ́ẹ̀ máa rí o, ẹ ṣé Kábíyèsí. I am standing before the eminent personalities of Ọ̀kà Kingdom today on behalf of the Executive Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Dr. Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa, who ordinarily would have loved to be here today, but for some other assignments in his hands. I want to also greet my brother, Honorable Dr. Gbenga Omode. I greet you. I want to recognize also the chairman of the Hospital Management Board, Bombagua, Dr. Ategule Ebodu Ajirisemi. I want to greet my father that is here also. It's only I've not been to his house in the last few days. His Excellency Baba Roland Omowa Ebulisa. I present to you the speech of His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State. I know that you are all aware that last year His Excellency was here physically, and I know he always loves to be at every occasion, and that is why he has said that he must have a representation here today. I want to also greet Mama Olori Olubaka Ekule Mama Ajirisemi Esigoni. It gives me great joy to be here today in this historic, culturally rich town of Oka. Akoko, as we mark yet another edition of the Oka Day, a celebration of unity, heritage, progress, and and the enduring spirit of our people. Kabiyesi, your speech, sir, you did mention about certain things that have happened with regard to natural disaster in Okala. Just as you have mentioned, we will equally mention to the governor, even though that the governor has been aware of this and has sent representatives to come and inspect with the mindset of doing something very quickly to address the situation. I want to reassure you that the Ondo State government is already aware of this fact and will do something to protect the lives and properties of every citizen of Okala. Let me first appreciate the Olubaka and the entire Okala community for upholding this important tradition and for extending to me and the entire government of Ondo State a warm welcome and generous hospitality. Today, we are not just gathered to observe another festival. We are here to reaffirm the beauty and strength of our identity as a people. Okada is more than a cultural celebration. It is a reminder of where we are coming from, a reflection of where we are, and a rallying call for where we want to go together. Okakoko stands tall in the history of Ondo State as a town known for resilience, intellectual prowess, unity, and industriousness. I remember as we grew up, we were reminded that when we were to bring wives, that we should endeavor to look for Okadota because of their industriousness. Many of your sons and daughters have distinguished themselves in various fields, in government, in business, in the arts and academia. This is a legacy we must protect and build upon. As the government, we recognize the critical role of cultural institutions and communal bonds in fostering social stability and development. We remain committed to working with all communities, including the great people of Okakoko, to improve infrastructure, support education, create opportunities for youth, and ensure that every citizen of our state can thrive. Already, we have ongoing interventions across Akoko Southwest and the broader Akoko axis in roads, rural education, healthcare, and school upgrades. I want to assure you that more will come. We are determined to leave behind a legacy of impact and inclusion. I also want to commend the Okada Development Union and all other organizers of this year's Okada for your dedication. This event reflects unity across all borders of the community. I've been able to see several people of Okada here today from Okia, from the different places in Okada. Let me use this opportunity to call on our traditional institutions, youth organizations, and community leaders to continue to champion peace and development. Let us embrace dialogue over conflict, collaboration over competition, and unity over division. Together, we can build a stronger Ondo State where no community is left behind. As we celebrate today, let us do so with pride in our heritage and hope for a better tomorrow. Once again, I thank you all for your support, your warmth and your belief in the vision of a more prosperous and united Ondo State. I am particularly happy at the show of culture in Okaland. Somebody asked me as soon as I got here if I think this program should hold every year. And I told him if it is possible, it should come twice a year. Oka people have been dignified for display of cultural and traditional activities. And we are well pleased in this. Happy Oka Day. God bless Oka Agogo. God bless Ondo State. And God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.
Can we put our hands together for His Excellency? Thank you very much, sir. Kì í máa ń respond sí ọ̀rọ̀ gómìnà, ṣùgbọ́n èmi lè respond. Master of ceremony ni mí, mi ò kì í ṣe olóyè tó fi òun wá. Ìbájọ́ olóyè báyìí bàbá wo ní kábíyèsí Màdákẹ́. Ẹ sì sà, ẹ bá ti dé ọ̀dọ̀ gómìnà, ẹ bá wa sọ fún wọn wípé wọ́n kú iṣẹ́. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe pátápátá làwọn èèyàn rí o. Ẹni tí ò bá rí o rí. Ṣùgbọ́n kán bá wa bá commissioner for work sọ̀rọ̀ kí state ó wá sí ìlú Ọ̀gá.